So I just have this basin right here that is collecting all of the celery. How good does this look? Oh my goodness. So this is the celery. I'm going to start juicing it now, and these are the little glass bottles that I got, and I really like them. I think they will hold my juices so nicely. So I have my juicer all set up here. I put a plastic bag to catch the roughage and the fiber and stuff, and then it just goes inside of here. Good morning. So I am getting ready for work, and I just wanted to share my green juice. So I made this yesterday, as you guys would have seen, and I just like having these in these bottles. I need to get some more of them because I feel like if this is just the perfect amount of juice for me. And this is just pure celery juice because there are so many benefits of drinking pure celery juice alone. So I was like reading up about it, so I'll put some things on the screen so you guys can go ahead and check it out. My next drink will just be like apple and carrot, so that'll be more like of a red drink. Coco and Lula making noise in the corner there, but it'll be more of a red drink. But this is pure celery juice alone, and celery juice actually tastes really good. I don't know if it's because I eat a ton of like vegetables that it just tastes good to me. Yum, so good. So I put it in the fridge, and on mornings like you can get up and put it out so it can kind of get room temperature if that's how you prefer it. This is a little bit chilled still. Look, Lola came to say hello. Hey Lola. Hi Lola. So I'm trying to make this into a routine just because I feel like if I need like something on mornings to hydrate me, also just like kind of detox my body. So I have been just really enjoying this, and you know, on Sundays it literally takes about 20 minutes and that's it. So some people do green juices like with celery, cucumber, ginger and stuff like that, and nothing is wrong with that, but like I said, based on what I was reading up about, there are so many benefits to just drinking pure celery juice alone. I have my wellness planner right here, so I'm just gonna fill out from yesterday some things and just kind of make sure it is up to date, because I just really love keeping track of my movements and my little habits here and there. Just finished filled out my journal. I had to catch up on over the weekend, but basically I got my period last week and it just put me in the worst mood ever because I just get my period only about 4 times for the year. So when I get it, it's just very stressful for me, and that is how I felt last week. And then that is why I'm just trying to reset my whole body. And I didn't work out last week because I was feeling extremely exhausted, like very out of myself, not feeling like me. And that is just how I personally feel. So I kind of was just eating what I wanted to eat, and I wasn't really working out, and I wasn't really doing anything, and I was just feeling so tired all the time. So I'm really happy that my period is finished now and I can get back to working out and all of those things. So I literally wrote my period is finishing finally, and I'm so happy to get back out and work out and feel myself. My self-love affirmation is my body is strong and healthy. And what I ate yesterday, I had fasted breakfast, then I had lunch, which was pasta with vegetables and shrimp, and then dinner was a chickpea salad with eggplant. And my workout was nothing because it was a rest day, but I'm feeling so much better, so much more myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work now. When I come home, I want to juice carrots and apples because I have that in the fridge and I just don't want it to get spoiled or anything like that. I just came home from work. I'm gonna go get ready in a little bit to go do a workout, but I wanted to show you a package that I got from Target, which I'm so excited about. Let me just say that this was an instance of me where I was up late in the night and then I ended up buying stuff. I mean, it's a habit that I do have, I admit, but I think I need to stop that. But I'm really excited about these. They are weights from Blogger Lassies, and I cannot wait because I really want to have just nicer workout stuff, especially since I don't go to a gym and I do most of my workouts at home except for like the ones where I go to something else. But I wanted to open it up for you guys and show you how it looks. Her weights are so pretty. It's like gold. I got 2 8-pounds, I think, so let's go open it up. Let's see what is in it because I'm so freaking excited. I can't even begin to tell you because I have like 10-pound weights and they are so heavy. I don't know why. So I got 8-pound weights and I just was over that whole like black look. So we are all about that aesthetic life across here, having cute things, making it functional and all of that. And I feel like if this was really good to invest in, so it will last me like forever. And eventually I could just build up and like get all of her weights because they're so pretty and I'm obsessed. Okay, so I have my package from Target. It is really, really heavy. This is how it looks and it has the weights in it. So I'm going to do like a first impression and let you guys know what I think about it. So excited, oh my goodness. So I have my little paper cutter and I'm gonna open it up. So these are really, really pretty. If you have no idea about it, oh my god, I opened it up already and it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It has like Cassie at the front and like look at the gold details. Like it is so pretty. Why does it feel so heavy? It's either that or I'm like not lifting weights enough. Let me lift with my left hand. Oh no, it's fine. You guys, this is the exact weights that I needed. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So of course I would have wanted like pink. So the color of the bar, the grip in the middle, goes with the weight. So the pink one was actually a little bit lighter and I didn't need a lighter one, so yeah, I went with the 8-pound, which works out fine. The green is a really nice shade, so it's not bothering me. You guys know I am a pink or neutral person. So the ones that I was telling you I had with like the regular black ones that don't really look as cute as these, but like honestly you guys, look at this. Like how fun is this to work out with? I am obsessed. I really, really am, and I'm so happy these make such a statement. Eventually I want to do like a little cute something with my weights and my workout stuff, just like a cute little section of my apartment. But so happy with these, they're so pretty. Let me just say that this vlog is going to be all over the place, so I'm really just wondering how it is all going to come together. But I am in my workout outfit right now. I'm just wearing all black today. This workout that I'm doing is one of my favorites of all time, and yeah, I just can't wait to go and start back my routine with working out and stuff after my period is finished, because it has just been a crazy mess of last week that I'm not, you guys, that life is just not for me. It really is not. So there is that. Let me show you what I'm wearing. And there is Coco. Hi Coco. Hi. Coco is unbothered by us, truly. Hello everyone. So I have to get some things done to get my life back together and back organized. I'm on my phone right now because I'm just on the go. I have so many little things to do because so many little things is happening to me right now. I'm going to touch up my nails. This is bothering me so bad because my nails are newly done and then one of them cracked, so I need to get that fixed. And my phone screen protector was really old, like 5 years I've had my phone. This is the iPhone XS Max. I've had it for 5 years now, and the screen protector was completely old, and my swipe up button didn't want to work this morning, and I panicked so badly because I was like, oh my goodness, but I knew it was because the screen protector was so old. It was preventing it from going up. I'm gonna go to the mall later to do that. I need to fix my car alarm because like I could literally never get into my car because my alarm just does not want to open. Like I have to spend like 2 minutes outside pressing my car alarm for it to unlock, which is just not safe. Like it's not safe at all. It's just actually really crazy if you think about it, because it's like dangerous though. Like I'm standing outside for like 2 minutes pressing my alarm and my car wouldn't open. So we need to do all of those things, and I'm sure there are others on my list as well. I can't remember it at the top of my head, but as soon as I go to work, I'm gonna put it in my planner to get these things done. All right, I need to go to the doctor to do my normal checkups and stuff like that. That is on my list, definitely high on my priority, because I did not go do a checkup since 2019, maybe 2020, I think, which is going on to like 2-3 years now, which is not good. So yeah, let's go fix our lives today, this week, get things done. Just got home and I got my new alarm, and I'm so excited. When I got to the place, they also gave me this pom-pom because I picked it up and I was like, oh my goodness, I need one of these, because my original one, which was this really pretty pink cat one, oh my god, Lula's trying to eat my food. It fell out and I needed a new one, because this is how I find my keys so easily, and I love pom-poms so much. So these are my 2 alarms. I'm gonna take one off and keep it safe, obviously. I love my pom-pom. They were so good, so professional. I love going by them. And I got my nail fixed. This is my new nail. My thumb is fixed. Life is good. What else was on my list that I had to do? Got my birth control as well. So I got everything checked off of my list, more or less. Let me just go look at my list really quickly. Yeah, so I got my phone. Oh right, my phone screen. Look how pretty my phone screen looks. It's not shattered. Let me show you guys how the old one was looking. You are going to like die. This was my old tempered glass. Like, look at how cracked up it was. This served me well, and I got it from the Apple store directly when I bought my phone. So this has lasted me like, oh yeah, you can see it better there. So this has lasted me 5 years. I don't really upgrade my phones until absolutely necessary. It has to last me a long time. And with Apple, I am a solid Apple user and I have no problems with my phone. So happy with my new phone protector situation. So that was checked off of my list. I got my nails fixed, got cat food for the cats, and I fixed my car alarm. I feel so good. And I also got for lunch curry. I love, oof, this is my second favorite food next to, oh god, my mouth is watering. This is my next favorite food next to sushi, obviously. My second favorite food next to sushi. I was not even making sense. So this is what we have: shrimp, dal rice, bodi. Would you guys ever want me to do like a mukbang? I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat a little bit, take a shower. I'm watching Empress on Netflix. So good. Highly recommend you watch. I just came home from work a little while ago and I wanted to show you my new book that I picked up, which is called 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. So I actually do follow this author, Brianna West. I think that's how you pronounce it, on Instagram, and I really like some of the things that she writes, like all of the things that she writes. So when I saw that she came out with a book that is actually really popular everywhere, I just really wanted to get a book that I felt was inspiring but not like down your throat self-help, if that makes sense. A lot of the books I feel like makes me feel as if I have to think so hard, and I love reading. Reading is like my favorite thing to do, but whenever I want to just not do anything but still do something, if that makes sense, without feeling like if I'm doing anything like really taxing. And this one feels as if it will just be a really nice read without being too in your face, but you know, just a really nice easy little read that I can probably take my time and browse through like one chapter every day or something like that, in addition to doing my word search, because you guys know I'm so obsessed with my word search situation. I still have not fully read Atomic Habits. I have that book for over a year now and I still have not read it as yet. I have been skipping through it, but this looks like something really nice for me to get back into that whole non-fiction realm. I have been loving fantasy and fiction. Last year when I read the ACOTAR series, which was actually really good. At first I was hesitant, but then I really grew to love that series. So I'm trying to get back into reading some kind of non-fiction. I will let you know how it goes. Start reading a little bit tonight and see how it goes. My cats are right here, and you know I just have to like show them you. And this is my Coco. Hi! Coco just never wants to bless us with her presence. Hi! Hi, look! Okay, yep, there she goes. And let me see if Lola will say hello. Oh, do you know why they were there? They were killing a bug. Lola, were you killing a bug? Hi! They are just so interested in killing this little bug right by me. there's that. So I just finished my workshops and I decided to try this different poke bowl from what I usually do. I usually do salmon sashimi, but this one is tuna sashimi, so I'm really interested to see how it goes because I normally am not that much of a fan of tuna, but the salmon, they cook it and I don't like seared salmon if I'm having a poke bowl from a Japanese restaurant. I prefer everything to be raw. Don't judge me, you guys, it just is the way it is. But yes, how good does this look? Should we do a taste test? I've never tasted it. Let's do a taste test and see how it goes. Tuna itself, because I just love raw fish. I'm pleasantly surprised. And we have some vegetables, seaweed. I'm pleasantly surprised. And of course there's edamame, which is my favorite. This is like the only snack I have in my house and I can still never get enough of it. I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of sashimi though. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a shower, watch The Empress on Netflix. My workshop was so good. It was just such a fun time. I saw somebody just leave a review. Amazing workshop, super relaxing and motivational. Definitely the best way to start off the year. And then somebody else said, firstly, cannot wait for next year's workshop. It was worth the experience, great company, warm, calming and relaxing atmosphere, super motivational. So I'm really happy with those reviews. I can't wait to see what everybody else says, but it was such a good time. I'm so happy with the schedule of the workshops this year. It's just like amazing.